Hey guys, this is Dave. I'm going to show you something about the WaveForce LG washing machines here. If you get an error code on the front that says E-6, transmission problems, a lot of people on YouTube tell you that you got a quarter stuck between the tub and where the tub spins and the agitator. And I took my washing machine completely apart inside, took the tub out and everything, washed it. It was dirty, but I replaced the thing that's underneath the rotor. Look at the directions on YouTube. Go to the YouTube channel or the LG channel for this model, the WaveForce. After you take off the rotor cover and you get down in there and you pull off everything, this plate and the wiring and hoses and pumps, and get everything apart, and you can even replace this thing here, the transmission. I ordered a new one. So this thing here, they show you how to get this thing out. You have to take the tub out of the washing machine. You go through quite a bit to get this stuff out. When I got it all back together, my machine still had an E-6 code, which means it wouldn't go, you know, it would just do like this and shake. It would not spin inside. The reason why, after I spent $99 for a technician to come out here, it was this motor. If this motor is a very small active, it has some kind of little small contactor in it, and it doesn't push this little arm in right. And when that happens, it gives you the E-6 code. So you go on eBay. I ordered 2 of them. So I put one in today, installed it in just a few minutes. I got an extra one in case this machine does it to me again, because I've got a lot of people here that that wash their clothes. I got a lot of kids. So I hope that helps somebody. I can flip the machine up and show you that it does work, but it does. I checked it out, and I just turned it over to show you that that is the part that's broken. And I don't know the number of this thing offhand. I'll have to look at it. Put a link below so you can have the number for this. The technician gave me the part number, and I just ordered it off eBay for 20 bucks. Okay.